Hello everyone, welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. This is Ben Benz. Today we're going to be walking you through this 2018 GS24 by Nautique. We got the white hull bottom with onyx black sides and front accent. And then nice Tahitian lime stripes and tower. Call it the Kawasaki Monster Energy Edition boat. As you can see, it's got beautiful brown sea deck. Got the stereo control back here on the back of the boat. Got the nice sea deck lined walk through all around for climbing in and out of the boat. Don't have to step on any upholstery. Two tower speakers with the tower cover, or the speaker covers. GoPro mount on top of the tower. The bimini folded up here. Towards the back we got our ski pylon that pops right up, puts away. Great storage in the back here. All of our ballast is below that floor you're looking at, but all of our compartments are lined with sea deck. Oh, might as well. Got the H5 motor by PCM. So we work our way back into the boat. Cooler, battery maintenance system. Trash can. Another compartment there is a good spot for shoes or towels. The seat that folds up. Of course, the expansive space underneath the passenger seat and your sub. Battery switches. Beautiful glove box. Great place to rest your phone, charge your equipment, and you got this nice jail audio head unit. Driver's side, got your beautiful helm control here, easy to use. Screen's off to the right hand side, so you got beautiful, great visibility up front. Phone holder, seat bolster. Up front, plenty of room for tall people. And storage under the seats. Lined with sea deck. Front speakers. And this wraps up the 2018 GS24 here at MarineMax Osage Beach.